Are you also having a smartphone repair shop? Then this video is definitely for you, because today I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your smartphone repair shop business. So as an owner of a smartphone repair shop, I'm receiving multiple WhatsApp messages on regular basis from my customers. Handling each of the message manually is a time-consuming task, so I have decided to automate it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So I'm going to create an amazing WhatsApp chatbot for my business that is going to handle all the WhatsApp messages and inquiries that I'm going to receive from my customers 24/7 and also going to automate the responses for me. So now every time I'm going to receive a new WhatsApp message from my customer for any of the inquiry, automatic message is going to be sent to that same customer effortlessly. For your business, if you also want to learn the entire process of creating this WhatsApp chatbot step by step, for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. In this video, we are going to learn step by step how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your smartphone repair shop business. So as an owner of a smartphone repair shop, I am receiving multiple WhatsApp inquiries on regular basis from my clients and customers related to their phone repair. Some of them have Android, some of them have iPhone. It is actually a confusing task to handle each of the inquiry at the same time. Therefore, I have created an amazing WhatsApp chatbot that is going to handle all the inquiries for me and also going to automate the responses 24/7. Okay, now I have not used any coding and programming skills to create this WhatsApp chatbot. I have simply created it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Before moving forward towards learning how to create it ourselves, I am going to first of all show you that how the bot which we have prepared is going to work. So I will take you towards WhatsApp, and over here this is the WhatsApp number of SmartFix Smartphone Repairs, the name of my business. I am going to send a random message as a customer on this number. Let's say, hello, I need to repair my iPhone. As I've sent this message, you can see I got an instant reply. Hello, welcome to SmartFix Smartphone Repair Experts. May I know your name before we go ahead? It is asking me my name, so let me provide my name. Let's say as Smart Customer. When I'm replying to the business with my name, I got another reply, this time along with my name. Great smart customer, how we can help you today? Please choose an option below. We have 3 easy buttons over here. Let's say I'm going to click on the button, check prices. And it is asking me, please select your phone type to view repair pricing. I have 2 options over here. Let's say I'm going to select iPhone. And as I've done that, you can see I again got a reply. This time I got a catalog for all the prices of the repair services. If I want to book repair, I'm going to click on this button, book repair. And I got the link where I can book my repair appointment. Okay, so in this way our flow is actually going to work. If the customer is going to directly click on this book a repair button, they again got the options to select their phone. If they are going to select any of the phone, then it is asking us what kind of damage they have. So in this way, the flow will work. It is going to respond according to the customer's answers and messages. So now, without any further wait, let's start creating this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for our business as well. To start with the process, first of all, in a new tab, we need to type pabbly.com/chatflow, which is going to take us towards the landing page. After coming over here, you will find 2 options, sign in and sign up for free. So in case if you are already an existing user, just click on sign in to log into your account directly. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button, which will help you to create a free new account just in 2 minutes. Also, when you will do that, you are going to receive 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and also to test multiple WhatsApp chatbots. Now, as an existing user, currently I'm going to click on sign in. This is all apps section where we can find all the products that are offered by Pabbly. To create the chatbot, we are going to use Pabbly Chatflow. So let's click on access now. Now it is going to take us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Over here, we can see the credits that are allotted to us, the credits that we have consumed, the credits that are remaining with us, and the WhatsApp number that we have added. To learn the process of adding the WhatsApp number, here you can click on this add WhatsApp number. We have 2 methods over here, WhatsApp connect method and manual token connect method. We have created separate video tutorials for each of these methods that are uploaded on our YouTube channel. I'm also going to attach the link of those videos in the description of my video, so you can just go and watch from there as well. Now, if you're having multiple WhatsApp numbers with which you are handling your Pabbly Chatflow account, you can also create separate folders on your dashboard by clicking on this plus sign in order to create multiple folders. All right. Now, apart from creating chatbots, we have some other amazing features inside Pabbly Chatflow that are given over here on the left side. So we have inbox section, we have contacts, team queues, template section, we have broadcast, flows through which we are going to create our WhatsApp chatbots. We have AI assistants, we have settings section and get help. So we have created separate tutorials for each of these features that are uploaded on our YouTube channel. If you want to learn about any of the feature in detail, you can just go and watch the video from our channel. Now, after understanding all of this, let's start creating our chatbot. For that, first of all, let's go towards flows over here from the left side. So we are on the flow section, and here you can see we have multiple flows. I have created these flows for different purposes. Now, here we can see the active flows that we have on our account and also the inactive flows. All right, so now I'm going to click on this add flow button to create a new flow. You have to keep in mind that the bot which we are going to create over here is going to be totally based on the flow. Flow is going to decide the chronological order of the messages that the bot is going to send and respond according to the customer's messages. Okay. Now here you have to first of all give the name to your flow. So I'm going to give the name, let's say as. So here is my chatbot name, WhatsApp chatbot for your smartphone repair shop. Now we have to decide that how we want to start our flow. As I've shown you in the beginning of the video, when I was receiving certain messages from my customers, then my bot was responding. So either you can decide certain keywords that for your business, when you're going to receive specific words, for example, smartphone, repair, help, etc., then you want to start your flow and respond to the messages. Or otherwise, you can also go for selecting a regex over here. Regex is regular expression, which helps us to identify the message and start the flow automatically. So here I'm going to use a specific regex that is going to help me that as soon as I'm going to receive any kind of message, whether it is a text message, a simple word, a paragraph, or even a symbol, my flow is going to start. So the regex which I'm going to use is this. So here I've added the regex. You can also use the same regex if you also want to start your flow every time you're going to receive any message. Now you have to decide what message you want to send next. When anyone is going to send me a message on my WhatsApp number, then I want to ask their name. So I'm going to go towards action, and here we have multiple options. As you can see, I want to ask a question to my customer, their name. So I'm going to drag ask question like this over here, and I'm going to connect it with my flow start. All right. Now the question which I want to send is, hello, welcome to Smart Fix Smartphone Repair Experts. Here I have made the name of my shop bold by adding stars, start, and at the end of my message. Here you can see we have entered. May I know your name before we go ahead? You can also format your text according to your choice. You can bold your text, you can bold specific words, you can make them italics and much more. Now here I want to collect the name of my customer, and that I'm going to select from contact custom field. I have selected full name from contact custom field, and as I have selected full name from contact custom field, when I'm going to receive the reply from my customers along with their name will be automatically added in Pabbly Chatflow in my contact section. So further, I will be able to automatically use the name in communicating with those same customers to address them with their own name and make my communications more personalized. How to select contact custom field? For that, you can see we have settings option from the left side, and here inside settings we have contact custom field option. When you will open it, you will find multiple details which you can add as contact custom fields, and whenever you want to collect any of the detail from your customers, you can select that detail inside contact custom field like this. The format of this name is going to be text, so I have selected that. If you want to provide the number of reattempt chances and also the validation message, you can enter the details over here. As I'm going to receive the reply from my customers with their name, then I'm going to further send them the options that what they want to explore, and in order to provide them the options, I'm going to send them a button message. So I will select the content type as text plus button. Now the message which I want to send them is great, and here I have used contact custom field along with a $sign, and I have also made it bold. When we use $sign in front of contact custom field like this, the data become dynamic, and automatically with every new response then it is going to replace. So here in the place of this full name, the contact custom field, whenever I'm going to send the message to my customer, their name is going to appear. Okay. How can I help you today? Please choose an option below. To choose an option, I'm going to provide 3 buttons over here. So the first button is going to be book a repair. If my customer wants to book a repair appointment, or if they want to explore the prices and services. So the second button is going to be to check the prices. And the third button is going to be for pickup or delivery. So here I have added 3 buttons, and now for each of the 3 buttons, I'm going to send separate messages. First of all, if my customer click on book a repair, so I'm going to send them a message. So then I'm going to send them a message as great, let us help you book a repair. Please select your phone type. So if they have iPhone, so I'm going to attach the button as, or they have Android. If they are going to select iPhone, so I'm going to send them a message as, you have selected iPhone, what issues are you facing? So here I'm going to provide them the button as screen damage, or if they are going to select the issue as battery issue. Okay, again, if they are going to select screen damage or battery issue, again, I'm going to send them separate messages for that. Thanks for the info. Please fill the quick form to confirm your repair request. Here I've provided the form link. Our technician will contact you shortly. And also it is going to be same case of battery issue. Okay. Now let's save the flow before moving forward to make it updated. Keep saving the flow as you're moving forward to make it updated and also to keep saving. Now if they are going to select Android, so again I'm going to send them another message that is going to be, you have selected Android, what are you facing? What issue are you facing? So again I'm going to send them 2 issues or charging port issue. Okay, if they are going to select any one of them, so I'm going to send them another message that is going to be, thanks for the info. Please fill this quick form to confirm your repair request. Here we have the form. Our technician will contact you shortly. And this is going to be same in case of charging issue as well. So now I have completed the first part of my flow. If they wants to book a repair. Now if they are going to have the issues related to prices or they want to check the price, so I'm going to send them a catalog in media format. So I'm going to send them a media message. The media is going to be, now the next button we have is to check the prices. If my customer wants to check the prices of the repair, so first of all I will ask them their phone type again, which kind of phone they have, and according to that phone I'm going to send them the repair charges. So here the messages, please select your phone type to view repairing pricing. So here I'm going to provide them the 2 options again, iPhone if they have or if they have Android. Now if they are having iPhone, so I'm going to send them the catalog of the repair services related to iPhone. So first of all, I will send them a message that is going to be media message because I want to send a catalog. Image format I want to send, so I've selected image as the media type. Then here I want to upload the image, so I'm going to click on drag and drop or browse over here. If you want, you can also insert the URL directly. I'm going to directly upload the image from my computer. The iPhone repair charges for each of the functions. Okay. Now here I'm going to enter the caption as need to book a repair, and I'm going to provide the button as book repair. If they are going to click on the button book repair, so I'm going to send them the message where I'm going to send them the message related to booking. And here I have already sent the message earlier. This is the message where I'm providing them the link for the screen damage of iPhone. So I'm going to connect this button directly with that same message only. Now the next we have is if the person is going to select Android phone. So again I will send them the catalog for the media, and the media type is going to be image. I'm going to upload the computer image over here. This is the catalog for Android repair charges. I have mapped that. And now here I'm going to again enter the same caption. And also I'm going to attach the button to book repair. Okay, if they are going to select the button book repair, so I'm going to send them the message that I'm sending with the booking link related to Android. Okay, so the flow is completed till here. Let's save the flow quickly as the flow is updated. Now we are going to move forward towards the third button, that is for request of pickup or delivery. So then I'm going to send them a message as, sure, we offer doorstep pickup and delivery for your convenience. Please fill this form to schedule your pickup. Here I've provided the form link. We'll confirm your pickup time shortly. Okay, so now here my flow is ready. I will again save it, and now I'm going to take you towards WhatsApp to check whether the flow which we have created is working properly or not. So I have opened WhatsApp, and this is the number of fixed smartphone repair services. I'm going to send a random message as a customer on this number. Let's say, hi, I want help. As I have sent this message, you can see I instantly got the reply. This means our flow is actually working fine, and also bot is responding. So you can also very easily create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your smartphone repair shop business. I have only used some basic elements, but if you want, you can use as many elements as you want. You can send list, you can ask questions, locations, and much more. I hope this WhatsApp chatbot process is clear to you. Also, it is helpful for your business. Thank you for watching. Not only this chatbot, but you can create multiple such amazing WhatsApp chatbots for your business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you want to connect us, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com. For any of your query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And for any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Do you know you can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free? So try it now today. Thank you for watching.